All right, welcome back to the channel. This is Teach Me Money Methods, where I do tutorials on how to make money online with various products and softwares, and specifically private label rights products, how to take them, change them around, and make money from them. So in this video, we're going to be talking about rebranding PLR products, and specifically, it's too big of a, it'd probably take a 30-minute to an hour video to go through the entire process of changing out the entire text and rewriting and doing all that. So what we're going to focus on specifically today, which is the most important part, which is changing the PLR graphics and rebranding it and retitling it, right? You don't just want to take the same title that someone came up with and then use it. You want to actually retitle it, something more engaging. And you can also go and see if, go for a title that is being searched for. That's a strategy and method, but also you just want to rebrand it and make it your own. So what we're going to be doing is the steps to this process. We're going to get a piece of PLR content from our favorite source, and then we're going to open up that PLR folder and we're going to change the graphics quickly. But what we're also going to be doing in here is before this, we are going to be finding a new title for free so we can get title ideas, right? So we're going to go through all these steps. So let's jump in real quick. So right here, I'm on my favorite PLR product store, for a couple different reasons. One, I have a lifetime membership, and they usually have deals going on where it's around $98 and you'll never have to pay again. And they have all kinds of different products. So they have audios, templates and graphics, WordPress plugin, articles, turnkey websites, WordPress themes, ebooks, videos, software, web scripts. The ones that I use the most, I actually have published some of their audiobooks. As you can see, this is their latest products they just released. Today is, I guess this must be on the other side of the globe because they have June 2nd over here, and I'm on the United States time, so it's June 1st for me, but you can see that they're publishing new content every single day, and they publish audiobooks, right? And you can actually take these, rebrand them and all that, and then upload the audiobooks. Now, if you wanted to, a lot of times it depends on the audio once you download it. The quality of the audio, sometimes it's a live recording, and it's just not going to be a high enough, even, if you hire someone, a professional, to try to make the audio as clean and crisp as you can, it won't ever be good because the original recording wasn't good enough. You won't be able to upload that to Amazon ACX, but you sure can. There's other platforms that you can upload those to. So I actually have uploaded the audiobooks from there. I also take the ebooks and turn them into my own audiobooks as well. So what you're going to do is you're just going to come over here at Big Product Store. So if you're interested in that, I will leave a link to all the tools I'm going to use in this video. And you can see I have memberships to all these tools. I use these daily in my business to use PLR to make money from, whether that's building courses or publishing books or publishing audio books. And so in this case, we have all these products here. They're great and all. The one that I'd like to use in this example would be this one, Mastering Sales Funnel. So it's got a very nice graphic, actually. When you look at all the graphics over here, this one actually stands out, very, very professional. So, but we can't take this and just go and upload it all over the place because, people, it's not going to be your own. It's not going to be unique. So we want to change it out, right? So Mastering Sales Funnel. So we're going to go ahead and download that product. While that's downloading, let's go over and actually change this title out. So you can copy this, Mastering Sales Funnel, and I actually will put Mastering Sales Funnels because it's more of a plural type thing. So I came over to this site. I just found this site really, actually. You can rewrite it yourself if you're creative. You can use different tools to rewrite it. In this case, I'm going to use this title-generator.com. It's free, Mastering Sales Funnels. I'm just going to say get headlines, and it's going to go out there. And right here, it's going to it's like an algorithm that it adds to it. So it has 700 headlines, titles, and content ideas. So we have all these ones answered your most burning questions about mastering sales funnels. Stop wasting time and start mastering sales funnels. Find a quick to mastering sales funnels. So we can just look through here. As you can see, there's just a ton if you were using this, you can use this site for blogs, creating your blogs, articles. Actually, it's multiple pages, which is incredible. But I found one that I kind of like. I'm going to go with mastering sales funnels in 24 hours. That's, adding in that in 24 hours, I think really, adds, value and adds exactly what they're looking for. They want to get up and running on sales funnels very quickly, right? So we're going to take that. That's going to be our new title. I'll just open up a notepad and throw that in just for reference. And then we'll come back over here. And now what we need to do is we're going to come back. So you can come in and you can open up the content, right? I'm going to go ahead and just go like that, and I'm going to extract, and we will go and check this up. And I like to go and just check out, they have the ebook in there, and you could go into the ebook, and that's when you're going to go ahead and rebrand and change around the text and all that inside. But we're not going to do that in this video. But we can check out what they have on the PNG. It's a very nice, crisp PNG. But we just, like I said, even though that looks very nice and professional, if you go and start blasting that all over the internet, you're going to get turned down at a lot of sites because someone's already going to have uploaded that exact image and everything. So we're going to go back over here. Now we're going to go over to Canva, right? So we're going to go over to Canva. We're going to go create new design, and I'm just going to go over here to book cover. So we have a book cover, and we have our dimensions and all that. But what we're going to do here is, we can just browse through here and see if we can find something we like. I'm going to click on the creative right there. And let's see here. All right, so we're going to go with this one real quick. And then what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and change out the background and make it a sharper color. And then what we're going to do is ungroup all this real quick. And some of this we don't need, so I'm going to delete that. And we have our title, Mastering Sales Funnels in 24 Hours. So I'm going to come up here. Okay, something like that, right? I'm going to grab this and actually move it up a little bit. And over here, I'm going to delete that. And then we can just, we can leave in the name there just for, example purposes. And you can actually make it a little bit bigger and then recenter it like that. And let's see, and you can make the text a little bit, you can change it up, make it more fancy. I like how it's, all the same text. It's not too big. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger, recenter it. You could also add some effects like the lift, the shadow. You can add in a little bit of white in the background and move that up, and then add some blur, and it'll just make it pop a little bit, something like that. All right, so we have that part, the title's done. So all you have to do is just change out this graphic, right? So we're going to change this graphic out. I'm going to go over to elements over in Canva, and then we're going to just type in funnel. So we can grab all these different funnels, anything that, I like this. There's actually people going in, and there's even right here, money going in. So I kind of like this one. And you can actually change the colors on that. And you know what? So since that graphic's like that, I'm going to go ahead and elect to change the background. And we're probably going to go with a darker background possibly. No, I don't like that. I guess the blue did work. That looks pretty good. All right, so we're going to go with that. We got that color there. So this other blue pops, right? And then what we can do is you can add some more stuff in here too. You can come back over here and maybe type in sales. So we've got a sale here, something right here. And that one, the color's not customizable, so we're going to go with something like this maybe and throw that right there. And then we're also going to go over here and go 24 hour, maybe something. Look at that. Stuff shows up for 24 hours as well. That's awesome. We'll see if we can change this one and change the color. So what I do is I'll take that and I'll actually come up here to the color picker tool, and I'll grab the exact blue. And then I'll come back over here and I'll grab the Dodger blue that it's using. So I'll grab that Dodger blue. Then I'll come back over here to this, and we will change this to the Dodger blue. So it's the exact color that's being used up here. We'll shrink this down. We'll recenter it about right there. Move it over. So then now you have this nice redone book cover. So then you're asking, well, that's great, but if I'm uploading to Kindle, what if I'm selling this on different sites, or if I'm selling this, you know, on my own, to my own audience, and I need it to be more flashy, I need more 3D graphics for that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download this. We're going to download it as a PNG. We're going to download. Okay. So that's downloading in Canva. So then we're going to go over to our final tool here real quick, and it's called Media Modifier. I've known about this for a few weeks now. Carry a membership. The memberships are $20 per month. So if you have a bunch of designs or, you know, a product you're going to be launching, you could pick up just a month membership for $20. Get your best bang for your buck, and then cancel it if you're not going to use it. I just find that I'm using it, you know, I have a need for this on a weekly basis. So it makes sense for me to just, you know, in order to outsource this to someone on Fiverr, you're going to end up spending $10-15 each time anyway. So it just makes sense to carry a membership for me. And so you can click the link below. I'll leave this as well. You can go check it out as well. So what we'll do is I just logged into Media Modifier. I'm going to go over to Mockups All, and I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to say Book. And you're going to see there's just a ton of designs that show up, which are really, really cool. And I'm just going to pick a couple. So you have the thick book style. So this is going to be the very similar to what we were just looking at. So we'll probably go with that one. I'm going to open that one up, and then we'll come back and we'll choose another one too. So like, let's say you're building your sales page or your sales funnel, right? What I like to do. So we're just going to click on here, and I'm going to go upload. We're going to go over to our image that we just created, right? Our book cover. And I'm going to push the stretch button, and then boom, just like that, we've got an amazing looking cover. We can also change the background color if we wanted to, we'll just click on that, and we'll just go all the way up to a white color and leave it there. Oops, don't know why. Let's see. It has that kind of background in the back. I think it's because it's trying to do the picker tool. So then we have our new background color, or you can just leave it transparent if you would like to as well. Either way, you're going to do that. So then all you do is when you have your image like that, all you have to do is just go to the download button, and you can save the mockup, or you can download the image, right? So we're going to download the image, open it up, see what it looks like. There you go. So you've got this really nice, we just completely rebranded this. You wouldn't know that this was, you know, that same book. It's got a brand new title. It's got brand new graphics, everything. You would not know that that's the same book, right? So then now what you can do, if you're going to be, you know, a sales page, or you want to make it even fancier, maybe let's try one more mock-up here. We'll open up this one. And all you have to do is just click on the image when it opens up, upload your image, and you go back to that book file we created, and you just pop it in, and you push stretch. And then we'll click that other one, and we'll go upload your image, go back to that book, and stretch. And then so then now you've got this nice handout. You can use that one. There's just so many that you can actually use. The thicker book styles, you have the live mock-ups there. You have all kinds of goodies in here that you can use in your business, right? So there's even actually multiple pages of this, right? We'll do one more of this paperback book. So I hope that you're getting the point of this and the value, that all it takes is a little bit of work. Go in and I just did this live. This is not even the best graphics that I, actually am able to come up with. But we did use templates. We used Canva, which is free. I have a premium membership, but this just looks amazing, right? And then you just download the image. And you can put this on your website. You can upload this any way that you were going to use the other file. And then now you have these nice files that just look really 3D for your sales pages and all that stuff. So that's how you can retitle and rebrand and come up with new graphics in every way. If you just need to post and publish to Amazon KDP or Draft2 Digital or something like that, then you can just use this flat facing cover like that, no problem. But if you are using it for other resources, then other uses, then you can certainly use these other ones as well. And you can use this other tool, MediaModifier.com. So I hope that you got value from this. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next tutorial videos. Until next time, take care.